How's it going, guys? So today we're going to solve one of the coolest question, which is reverse the string. So this question is quite simple. It is similar if you have solved and watched the video which I've told about, like reverse the integer. So we are doing the same thing over here, but in this question there is one beautiful thing for us. We don't have to like reverse the string because the string is given in the form of our character, so which make it quite simple. If we get a string in the form, like if we get this in the form of string, then what we have to do, first of all we have to make it in the form of character, then we will reverse it, and then we will concatenate and return it, as simple as that. So I hope I will just tell you like how we're gonna do it. So I hope that thing is clear to you guys. So let's just talk out, dude, how you will do this question. That's the main point over here. Okay, so let me just tell you. So what we do, I will say HLLO. So I will use two pointer approach and I will swap that. Okay, I will call it as I. This one's the starting one, I will call it I, and the ending one, right one, I will call at J. Okay, what I will do, I will simply swap these together. So what they will give me result is OELLH. Alright guys, now what you will say, like okay, so now after swapping this, my I will increment and my J will decrement. Okay, so what will happen, my I come over here, my I is facing like this, and my J is at L. Okay, my I is at E and J is at L. Now they will both swap each other. Okay, then I will just show it to you over here. So what will happen after this, I will get OLLEH. Now my I and J, they both are on the same string or same character, I mean. Okay, now what will happen, I will just simply return it, because we, like when my I is equals to J, my job is done, I will just simply return my code. So that's how we're gonna do. I hope this thing is clear to you guys, like what the question is saying and how we are doing the code. So let's just write the code. So like there is one more way to do it using the built-in functions of the, like reverse the string. So like it is very simple to use that, but like for example you say there is a function called reverse to string. If you use that, then you will simply reverse that. But I'm saying, like, if you use the built-in function, then it will not help you in the interview, because the interview will say, dude, you have to do it without using any built-in function. All right, so I hope this thing is clear. So we are using two pointer approach. There is one more approach, which is recursion. You can try by yourself. That is quite simple, similar to that only. Okay, but in that one we are using another helper function to reverse it. That's quite simple, but we will focus on this one, because in that one we are using space complexity as well. We are using space, but in this one we are not using any space. So let me just code it up without any further ado. Okay, and I will say int J. My J is from the last, so I will say length -1. Okay guys, now I will run the loop while I is less than equals to J. When I is less than J, it did not meet. Alright guys, so now what I will do, I will copy I will copy the ith value in an variable. So I will call it char temporary one, and I will put it inside this one, so that it will help me to swap it. So now what I will say my the end value is my starting value. So I will say my si equals to s of j. Okay, and my starting value is now my end value. So how I will do it, I will use the temp one, which I have put my initially starting value. So I will say s of j equals to temp. Okay guys, lastly increment the I and decrement the j. Okay, and like we don't have to return anything, because this is sync public void, so we just simply run it. Okay, so here we go. So let me just submit it, and 100% faster guys. So in this one we are dealing with the time complexity of n. Okay, because like we are running only one time by the loop, and the space complexity is of 1, because we are not using any extra space in this one. So I hope this code is crystal clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, then do just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reach to you. And I just want to say thank you very much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, if you're not subscribed, and if you're not like this video, if you understand this code, then please like it. Just please like it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll love you guys. Roll the outro.